Alright guys, this car just finished fumigation progress. Okay, but for those owner who know what is fumigation is, good for you. For those who don't, let me explain a little bit detail. Okay, fumigation is a progress with either smoke form or misting form. Okay, to smoke out the whole car to kill the uninvited friend like roaches, lizards, spider inside your car. Okay, but do you know what happen next right after the fumigation? In the first place, you just want to get rid of those pests. Okay, you want to get rid of those fear. But do you know how it really look like right after fumigation? Let me show you. Okay, by the way, this is my standard SOP at red plastic sheet on the roof here. Okay, if you can see all the white color patches. Okay, you see that? Okay, before that, this plastic sheet is totally clean and clear. But all these patches is all the chemical residue during the fumigation. It's a smoke stuff, okay? So it created a lot of those kind of powdery smoke residue on all the plastic sheet. That's why you see, if I never wrap up, you can imagine that all will be contaminated on your roof. Even your roof is in black color, okay? You can't really see them. But on the plastic sheet is, you can see quite obvious. Okay. Secondly, the whole car now really feel very awful because it's like the powder is a bit those kind of like dehydrated powder that make you feel like you lack of air. Okay, and the whole car, no matter how dusty your car is, can't compare to right now. Can you see something? I can straight away draw tic-tac-toe. How many owners really done fumigation before and never really noticed about this thing? Okay, if on the seat you can see this kind of result, how about dashboard, aircon vent, your so-called your floorboard? Okay, how can you ensure that all the chemical residue is being cleaned up? Okay, you can see from here, I can draw the lines. Okay, it's very dusty. Very dusty. Irregardless what kind of fumigation form you're using, okay, in the market they have, we are using NEA approved, it's called Ice Pro. Okay, it's a smoke, powder, those kind of fumigator with powder. Okay, some of them they're using those kind of misty gas or whatever it is. But at the end of the day, I'm not going to comment on any stuff. But what I want to say is, because it's on the air, how to put it away, is a invisible stuff, thing that you can't see, like powder or those kind of mist. It's actually stained on all your surface. It would be best to clean out the whole car thoroughly, okay, by steaming, okay, then using hospital grade to disinfect the whole car to make sure it's really safe for a family right after the fumigation. Why? Imagine that if you never clean out the car surface properly, and you got a dogs and cats, or when you carry your child, your children, they touch the surface and accidentally they lick or they suck the finger. Okay, what goes next? It might cause food poisoning. Okay, and when you go to the doctor, go to the clinic, doctor will ask you what is the last thing you eat inside the car. Okay, what is the last thing you eat? It's not the last thing you touch in your car. Okay, so imagine that. Okay, this is my the tip for owner to look out for if you wanted to do a fumigation to clear the fear of pests, at the same time to make sure that you also take care of your family. Okay, to make sure health is there, it's ready for them, it's hygiene ready, and so far and so on, to make you have a better interior environment. Okay, so nothing much. That's it. That is the detail for you. What is it? How is it look like right after fumigation? Okay, thank you. Ciao.